Ooh, yummy.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Last time on Beachin with the Boones, we showed you what you can expect when you have a small birthday celebration at Topgolf in Myrtle Beach. Also, we showed you some of their signature drinks. Today, we're at the grand opening of the newest ice cream sandwich shop at Broadway at the Beach. Let's tune in and see what's happening.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones, and tonight we're down here at beautiful Broadway at the Beach for the grand opening of Baked Bear. Baked Bear has been in business since 2013, which it was started in California, and guess what? They brought it right here to you in Myrtle Beach. And there is a huge line. So we're not the only ones that are excited about this adventure. Let's go check it out.
Grand opening.
Oh, free ice cream sandwiches for the first 100 people in line. And there's a line.
You know what that means? I bet we're 101. What you think?
Who wants to count? Hey!
at that.
So how long y'all been standing in line?
2 hours.
2 hours. What you get?
Both cookies of the month and then churro ice cream.
All right, y'all look cheerful. So what are y'all waiting on? What are you going to get?
Whatever comes with my free ice cream sandwich.
Free ice cream. Oh, yes, that looks good. What do you want?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet?
For the cookies, I'm going to get the Nutella chocolate chunk, and then I'm going to get cookie dough ice cream on it.
Oh, yum. Now, how long have y'all been standing out here? They've been in line for 2 hours.
For an hour and a half.
An hour and a half? All right, I can't wait to see it. So we were contacted by Chuck, the assistant manager, to come down here to the grand opening tonight. Thank you, Chuck. That was awesome. And you had a wonderful turnout. Look at this.
Sure
This is
is.
amazing. So if anybody else would like for us to come and film their grand openings, we would love to. Just let us know when it is, and we will definitely be there to show up, to show out. And as Chuck is working the line, everybody's looking at their phones and checking the menus and deciding what they're going to eat. You excited, Beatbox?
I am very excited.
You look excited. So what are you going to get?
I don't know. I got to check the menu, but I know it's going to be something with a Heath. I think you said they had a Heath
Yes.
on the
Heath
menu or
toppings, I
something.
think. Yeah. They have some Heath
Topping.
toppings.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you know, I'm trying to go for that gluten-free, so I'm going to try that. Y'all decided to get? Look over there, yummy. So some fruity pebbles, goodness gracious, that looks delicious. And that's a brownie, a cookie, another cookie, and then that, like she said, she got exactly what she wanted. Yay! Look at this. Look at all those fresh cookies. So how is it? Y'all got your pick? Let's see what you liking it. Oh, yum, look at that. That looks good. Oh, yeah. It is amazing and it's good. So it was worth the wait. Good. Thank y'all. And they have a little seating area where you can sit in. Let's see. There's their cookies, are homemade, their ice cream, and their mission is to spread joy and cream memories, bringing a smile to every customer's face. All right, so we finally made it to the end of the line. 9 hours later.
Yeah, look. Sun's gone down.
Sun's gone down, and the boats even turned on the lights. Step 1 is choose your top and bottom.
Let me zoom in. There's your top and bottoms, okay?
And step 2 is choose your ice cream.
Wow, there's your ice cream.
And step 3 is the toppings. Choose your toppings. Do
And
this.
step 4 is you can get it hot or pressed. And step 5 is to eat it.
You said Christmas.
I'm going to step 5. I'm going to skip step 5.
I'm going to do the vegan chocolate chip.
Uh-huh.
And I'm also going to do the toasted s'mores.
Okay. And what about a topping? Anything?
No toppings.
Okay. And so I got the snickerdoodle top and bottom, the cookie dough ice cream, and the Heath bar bit for my topping. Get all the apparels, hats, shirts, bags.
Thank
Look
you.
at that. I made my
Oh,
own.
yummy.
Thank you.
Thank you. That looks delicious, Beatbox. So remember, I got the vegan, gluten-free cookie right there. And you can get 1 or 2 sides. I just told them I needed 1 side. And then I got the s'mores ice cream. Don't that look delicious? Look at that. Can you see it?
Yep.
It's kind of dark out here.
No,
It
it's
doesn't
not.
mind until it got
It's
dark.
lit. And,
Okay. Beatbox, show them what you got.
all right, so I got the cookie dough ice cream and a Heath topping and a snickerdoodle top and bottom.
That looks delicious.
They say it's a sandwich, but it's a sandwich that you can eat with a spoon.
Well, I think you need to bite it like a sandwich. I mean,
Heck no, it'll fall all over me.
come on now. You
Let me
got to
see.
take one for the team.
And look, they're
Everybody's
standing
still
around
standing around.
eating. Well, there you have it. There is a quick look at the opening of the Baked Bear right here at Broadway at the Beach. If you get hungry for some ice cream this summer, you better come on down in here. They'll load you up. And I'm telling you, this is absolutely off the chain.
That's right. And thank you so much for inviting us to your grand opening. It was awesome, and what a great opportunity to get all the tourists and locals around here in the area to participate in your grand opening. We really enjoyed it, guys, and you're doing a great job. We can't wait to join you next time later on in the summer to see what else is going on in new adventures that you'll have.
That's right. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe because it's free, and it'll let you know all the videos that we post, and we post them weekly. And until next time,
Keep beaching, and we'll see you in the next video. Maybe at an ice cream date? Who knows? I bet they're in there.
well, there you have it. There's
Wait, you need to hold it. I'm
What do
too
you mean?
close. I'm too close.
Where you going, lady?
Good job. Rushing back for more. Did you hear what I said? Told you they were eating ice cream.
They're open now.
Yeah.
They got their ice cream and gone.